constituency, the kind of benefits, the kind of different projects, different development we have been getting in this past few months, I think it is tremendous. So, on behalf of the people of Giant Hills, I would like to thank the government of Meghalaya under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and also our young and dynamic sports minister. As we could see under their leadership that the sports has been, there were many achievements in the field of sports. Hakajuk kapor, ngakwa ban apil, kamtam ya kinong song snong, jog ka West Giant Hill District. No doubt, menta kaski kane kadai tang ka curtain raiser. The curtain raiser mean tang ka jings dam, tang ka highlight. Jog ki program iban salong, hakine isi iban wan. Hoy ke jing kre, kalalong nakaliang jog ka department ngai kublay nado Deputy Commissioner ADC kamtam yau wa krobok pasa bolong district sport officers jongi ubala tresyutong hakine ki line ai sawnai but ya borok ki line department namar undai ke kam ka basuk kamtam na ki meeting nila ya shong namar nila meeting kan namar kane kedai ka undai ka program ka bari kedai ka very important program. Kena kata daw na ay kublay, asim yung nagkakabuban ay kublay. Ya borok officers, ibang alayo iba klem syong klem tiyasyo, hakinig ar lifeline. Kenang ban pulong, ya kene Meghalaya Games kanlong kapacok. But kung maong meni, sisya nga dalabi nga kuwaban ay kublay kerpang ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya. Namar ladang aku memilih ladang peluk ya barok ke MLA scheme jong sansdem. Ladang alai buat yang scheme barok sansdem do ngatam la ban wandra yang kini development kumbaki wan menta. Mi hampo ke district Impadan ya ke swimming pool tanggung mentang ilayo sanction. Oh ini la ban long hakani tambah ke construction ni ke jingtre jalaya chakman. Impadan yang non tennis court mentang ilayo arti di lawn tennis court ibatumai. But kita ter ilayo I babarok I community halls, I government college schools. But nadang kerengai yang diperlok na ong ladak ikna jong ikna puli jong politik ni. Ladak iwan anda kilawan sufi. Kim secondit kinong nila poisya no cai gani jaka. Namara na swab kim lek sufi kalong da kumway. Anda kilawan kala no da kumway. But nga saya kerenkai bahwa dari imat dalam poin dekat mereka Meghalaya Games. The event buat dekat MDC hostel rokan nam yok rom show dapat mai. the shisha ka Meghalaya Games si kala penkeladur ya ka district ke jongi ya kene borok na ai ka credit na ai kublai ya ka sarkar Meghalaya ba khamtam minister belon burong jongi iba sai kor ba yang ana pors ko por iba sai keli ba kumno ka jing konkret satu kumno ka biang ni mana ka por ka peni ya ka concern ke jongi but ultimately nga community balang ba jong kani ka Meghalaya Games ba ikon samla jong ka than jong ka district at the state ke jongi kin yo ya ka platform bat nan ni kin nang yai yu shikman kin yo wan ra ya ka nam ka burong ya ka district ka state bat rihi barok ko ini tengah degini kin tin swa ngan song sa sisin nga kwa ban appeal khamtam ya kinong song jong ka snong juai hi barok ko ini namar bisngau thu bat 90% na kineki competition kin long hang ni hasor juai jong tengah khot na yawer ya borok kinong snong bangin long kita ki ambassador namar sngau thu ba bon na keleng ka state in one ki participant hakane ka sor juai jongi bat khamtam ya ki perlok ki jongi ki ban wan kala ban ong bat for the first time ki ban wan na do na ka thai tura te sngau thu ka dei ka jaka ka betul mai ya ki bon na pedeng jongi ki ban nam tip ya kelenti lani kimja ke kelenti satu shani na kerpat na ya khot na ya wer ka jing ya trailang bat ngin penti ya kata burong ya kata ka disiplin ka jongi kum ka society bat na apilo na kelenti ro ba da ka jing le tha ka jongi ha ka ni ka Meghalaya Games namar ngitip hadir ka Meghalaya Games kan sawan ka national game te yo ba anda ka le tha ha ka Meghalaya Games ay sport minister in ang ahilan show yung iha ka national game ro ka juto po tadagi kitin yung katiat nga
Meghalaya Games itself, most of the schools, most of the colleges, the Darbarshnams, the entire district, they receive a lot of infrastructure which is to be used by them after the 6 Meghalaya Games. In particular, we have decided that our investments will not be constructing new venues, but then again making sure to use the venues which are already available in schools, in colleges, because once the 6 Meghalaya Games is over, then the schools and the colleges, the Darbarshnam, they get to utilize all the investment made by the government in terms of infrastructure. But then again, like I said, this is because we have the best interests of our youth and our athletes. And we do believe that once we invest in sports, that sports is something that builds a person. You become more disciplined in life. It builds character. That is one of the reasons that we look into sports, not only with the aspect not only with that aspect of sport, but then the other aspects of life as well. So we do believe that all our investment will not go to waste. There was once that I was asked a question that why is the government spending so much money on the 6 Meghalaya Games? I still remember what our Honorable Chief Minister had replied, that it is not that something that we are spending, but in fact it is an investment in the youth of our state. Because we believe that the youth are the future of our state, the youth are the future of our country. And through sports, we hope that all these investments that have been made in building their character, they will build such character in them. So like I said, the 6 Meghalaya Games gives our youth the platform to showcase their talent, and of course we have invested a lot on infrastructures, but then again, like I said, all these investments that we made in terms of infrastructure, in terms of funding the associations, the type of associations, all these investments that are made is because we have an objective, we have a goal that we want to achieve. We know that it's not possible for us to achieve all these goals in just a year, or maybe in 2 years. But 10 years down the line, you will look back and you will appreciate the investments that was made 10 years that the outcome that we see in the youth of our state. It is because we have an objective that we want that our youth, our athletes to shine on a larger platform. Like mentioned by the Honorable MLA, we as a government have decided that we would like to host the National Games in Meghalaya in the year 2027. If we have to host, if we are given the opportunity to host in Meghalaya or the National Games here in a beautiful state of Meghalaya, we believe that all these investments that were made in the Meghalaya Games, that we will see the outcome in the National Games. This is the right time, this is the right platform for our youth and our athletes. Maybe the next National Games will be able to win medal for us. Maybe 10 years down the line, we'll be able to compete on a larger platform. Maybe it might be the Olympics. But if we don't take the necessary steps, if we don't act, I believe it's not possible for us to achieve all that. But it is because we, like I said, have an aim, it's an objective of why we're doing all this. It is because we would like to see that 10 years, maybe 15 years down the line, maybe on 2036, when India will go to the Olympics, maybe a few athletes from our state will win medals. It will be a great pride for our state, but not only for our state, but for our country as a whole. So, like I said, I'm very happy, and I would also like to thank all the Durbar Shams. Because I believe the collective effort that has been put in all the way from the government officials, along with the representatives, the local MLA from here, and with all the Durbar Shams, the collective effort that they have put in to make sure that this Meghalaya Games is a big success. So once again, I would like to thank and I would like to wish everyone, especially all the athletes who will be reaching here in a few days, where one of the disciplines, that is football, will start soon. And there was one point that it was mentioned that most of the athletes that will come to Dubai, maybe they can never see athletics in their life. I remember in the Meghalaya Games, some of our athletes were traveled, some contingents were traveled all the way from many areas. They've reached Surat, they've never seen what it was like. The same thing. Some of the youth, they've never seen what it was like. They've never seen athletes, but when they come here, they see it brings that unity that we want within our state. So, like I said, it is not only about the games, but there's a lot of mind that was put to it. Because we believe, like I said, that of course it is sports, but we, through sports, we would like to see that everything, maybe all our athletes grow, and we would like to see that people from different parts of our state who has never visited, like I said, that they would come here and we would love to see our culture, our place, and take something back from here, and maybe they go back to their own place and speak about how beautiful Jajay is. So once again,